Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best lifting magnet is probably one of the most indispensable tools you'll find in industries dealing with heavy metal objects. These powerful devices utilize the magic of magnetism to effortlessly lift and move massive loads, streamlining operations in construction, manufacturing, and beyond. Whether you're dealing with steel beams, metal sheets, or other ferrous materials, a reliable lifting magnet can significantly boost your efficiency and safety. Number 5. King Kong Magnetics 1200 pounds Fishing Kit. Are you ready to discover hidden treasures? This fishing kit is designed to help you find metal objects underwater. It's a great way to start your treasure hunting adventure. This kit boasts an incredible 1200 pounds of pulling force. The magnet is strong enough to retrieve items from the depths. May the magnetic force be with you. The magnet is made with pure neodymium and steel-plated for rust resistance. This ensures that it can withstand the harsh underwater environment. It's built for longevity. This versatile kit is perfect for recovering lost items. You can use it in rivers, lakes, or any body of water. It's ideal for metal detecting. The kit includes gloves, a rope, carabiners, and a thread locker. It has everything you need to get started. It's a complete package. Looking for a unique gift? This magnetic fishing kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It's a fun and exciting gift for anyone interested in treasure hunting. Give it to them and let them explore. What we like. This fishing magnet boasts an impressive 1200 pounds pulling force, ensuring you can retrieve even the heaviest treasures. It comes with everything you need, from gloves to a rope, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit to start your underwater adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. The magnet can be used two ways and is very strong. If something is found, I honestly believe this magnet will not let it go until you say so. Used it to pick up a bunch of nails that got dumped out in our parking area, and it worked perfectly picking up every nail. The strength of this magnet is beyond impressive. Number 4. Heavy-duty neodymium fishing magnets, 1.26-inch, pack of 2. These heavy-duty magnets are made of strong neodymium, with a diameter of 1.26 inches. The pulling force can guarantee 70 pounds in normal use. The super strong pulling force is concentrated at the bottom. A thick metal steel cup protects the magnet, prolonging its life and solving the fragility issue. These magnets are coated with NiCUNI, making the surface smooth and shiny. It's also water-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and anti-magnetic return, increasing efficiency. With a magnetic force of about 70 to 100 pounds and a countersunk hole design, it's suitable for salvaging underwater materials and magnet fishing. It's a great tool for lifting, hanging, and recycling. We are a professional magnet manufacturer. You can find the types of magnets you need in our store. Contact us if you have any problems, and we will provide a satisfactory answer. What we like. This magnet features a high-quality coating that makes it water and corrosion resistant. Its multi-purpose design is perfect for various underwater salvage tasks. If you are looking for a reliable magnet for magnet fishing or lifting, it's a great choice. What people say. This 155-pound, per square inch, not 155 lb total force, magnet was on sale, so it made for an enticing buy, but price alone wasn't what sold me. Another important factor was how the bolt and eye attaches to this magnet. I use these for picking up nuts and bolts from my shop floor. Number 3. Magmate PNL0250 Powerlift Magnet. Introducing the Powerlift Magnet, the ultimate solution for heavy-duty lifting. This permanent magnetic lift eliminates worries about load drops during power failures. Designed to lift thick steel on flat and round surfaces, it redefines versatility. This strong magnet comes in various capacities to meet your specific needs. The easy internal manual release ensures a smooth lifting experience. It lifts without contacting or damaging the load, maintaining its integrity throughout the process. This strong magnet can withstand heat up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit 82 degrees Celsius. It maintains its strength and performance even in demanding environments, providing consistent lift safety and power. The innovative handle features a positive lock-on and lock-off mechanism. This prevents accidental disengagement, ensuring a secure hold every time. What we like. This magnet offers a gentle and effective lift, ensuring your load remains intact. It can withstand temperatures up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for demanding environments. If you need a reliable lifting solution with a focus on load integrity and durability, you should consider this. What people say. The magnet is strong and works as advertised. It has a nice design and is easy to use. The lifting magnet is a great tool for the workshop. Number 2. MagMate PNL 1600 Heavy Duty Lift Magnet. Introducing the MagMate PNL 1600. This heavy-duty magnet is the ultimate solution for your lifting needs. With this, you can say goodbye to load drop worries. Designed to lift thick steel on flat and round surfaces, it redefines versatility. This strong magnet comes in various capacities to meet your specific requirements. The easy internal manual release ensures a smooth lifting experience. It lifts without contacting or damaging the load, maintaining its integrity throughout the process. This magnet can withstand heat up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit 82 degrees Celsius. It maintains its strength and performance even in demanding environments, providing consistent lift safety and power. The innovative handle features a positive lock-on and lock-off mechanism. This prevents accidental disengagement, ensuring a secure hold every time. What we like. This magnet offers a gentle and effective lift, ensuring your load remains intact. It can withstand temperatures up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for demanding environments. If you need a reliable lifting solution with a focus on load integrity and durability, it's a great choice. What people say. Strong magnet made loading plate steel in a milli-G machine a breeze. We used the magnet for moving parts around the shop. Magnet is compact and works very well. Works great. Makes lifting steel easy. Number 1. Steel Magnetic Lifter, 1,320 pounds, heavy duty. This magnetic lifter can handle loads up to 1,320 pounds. It's designed to securely lift various steel plates. The item dimensions are 10.4 foot, x 4.3, x 4.5, and it operates at temperatures below 80 degrees Celsius. The lifter is built with a strong N42 magnet and features a durable paint finish. This finish is smooth, bright, and resistant to corrosion and rust. When lifting round steel, it provides 30% to 50% of its maximum lifting force. It features a rubber-wrapped handle, a high-strength shackle hook, and secure fixing bolts. These features significantly improve safety and stability, making your lifting tasks easier and safer. The lever rotating shaft design allows for easy control. Simply turn the lever to the left to activate the suction and to the right to release. A security bolt ensures the handle stays firmly in place. This tool is perfect for lifting steel sheets, blocks, rods, and other magnetic materials in various industries. It's ideal for use in electricity, engineering, transportation, and mining. Remember to clean the surface before use to maintain its full magnetic strength. What we like. This lifting magnet provides a robust and secure lifting experience. The design of the lever rotating shaft is more convenient to control the magnet lifter. If you work in electricity, engineering, or transportation, this magnet will be a great choice. What people say. Bought this to unload 4x8x1 4-inch steel plate off of our trailer. Works great. Also useful for rolling garden boxes 4x4x2 tall onto their sides after welding corners. I'm a structural steel fabricator. I bought this so I wouldn't have to walk around the shop looking for the shop magnet. It's rated for 1,300 pounds and so far I've used it on pieces of steel up to 1,200 pounds and it works great. No problems. This lifter is very well made and easy to use. I moved a 4 foot by 8 foot sheet of 3 8-inch plate using a mini excavator and chain around the lifter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.